Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create ultra realistic people in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm going to start with /imagine command first, and then as a composition I'm going to write down portrait here. Since we want a photorealistic image as a medium, I'm going to write down photography, and as a subject I'm going to write down an old lady here. So I'm going to stylize this by using some photography terminology. If you don't know what that means, I make a small cheat sheet for you so you can use these keywords into your prompt. So let's start with our lens length first. So I'm going to write down 50 millimeter here, and then as an aperture I'm going to write down f/1.8, and then I'm going to write down cinematic lighting here, and finally I'm going to write global illumination. Also you can write down your favorite camera here, but I'm going to skip that part. So if you like a specific look from a specific camera, you can include that into your prompt as well. Finally I'm going to hit space once and type down --Q, and hit space once again and type down 2, and let's hit enter to see what is going to be look like. And here's our ultra realistic image, and as you can see those are looking great. And feel free to use the keywords that I gave you to get different results, but that's basically how to create ultra realistic people in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.